Dear students, I warmly welcome you. This is not an internship but an introduction to the world of law. This path is very demanding but noble. You are lucky that you are a student of law. When I joined the law, it was assumed that law is taken by the students who could not get admission in any other subject. Today the situation has changed. Law is the first choice. Even parents feel proud that their child has got the admission in law. It's a noble profession, and you remain always a student because throughout the life you have to learn the law. Does not matter whether you are a good lawyer, a senior advocate, or have joined the judicial service, or have been elevated to the High Court or the Supreme Court of India. The Parliament cannot keep the pace and amend or make the law as per the development of science. Therefore, it always remains so demanding how to interpret the new problems, how to solve these new problems, how the existing law requires to be interpreted. Nowadays, most challenging thing which the society is facing with the artificial intelligence. It can be used both ways, for helping the people and for harassing the people. The pictures can be made falsely by fabrication. There is always news every day that some people had been taken under digital arrest, and these people committing fraud on senior citizens. So it's a great responsibility on your shoulder how to protect the society. In a school of law, you have to be trained and taught how to learn the law, how to study it, how to practice, how to behave in the court, and you have an ample opportunity like a shooting of a film where there can be take and retake and your mistakes can be corrected. Once you enter into the court, there is no such system. Once you make a statement, it will determine the fate of your client. So you have to be very serious about your studies and seek the blessings of your teachers and learn the law so that you can not only become a good citizen of India but help the society. Thank you very much.